throttle till I crash. I'm back with a vengeance. You gon' see me end this. I will be ascending. I don't ever slack. I got my eyes on a prize. What I see for my life. I don't float, no I fly. Do or die. Cause you gotta do or die. There ain't no compromise.
Go to Object Selection Tool.
You wanna see what you're made of?
Then select Subject.
Would you leave it all on
Wait few seconds for processing.
the ground with some straight blood?
Increase a little bit amount of feather.
I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it.
Tap Ctrl+J for copy the selection.
Do you want it?
Hide the copied layer.
Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? I'll fight till I collapse.
Increase the font size as you need.
I'll fight till I collapse.
Now type your expected text.
Till I collapse. My energy is unmatched. I don't get tired, no I don't get gas.
Tap Ctrl+T for active transform.
On my way up fast. So watch out for me now. Everybody in this town will be looking.
Now increase text size and reposition it as you want.
Blood drips from the scabs, bloody fists from the jabs.
Change text color if you want.
What if there was no one to save us? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you dye the ground with some straight blood? I just wanna find out my limits. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it. And this is just the beginning.
Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad?
Duplicate the text layer if you need another text.
I'll fight till I collapse.
Now custom the copied text's color, size, and position.
Till I collapse. I've been moving too fast. Got my foot up on the gas.
Visible this layer now.
Back with a vengeance. You gon' see me end this. I will be ascending. I don't ever slack. I got my eyes on a prize.
Drag the image layer on the top of wall.
Cause you gotta do or die. There ain't no compromise. Get ready for a fight.
Done. See, that looks so awesome now.
What if there was no one to save us?
If you want to, add stroke on this layer image, then follow next instructions.
I just wanna find out my limits. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it. And this is just the beginning.
Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? I'll fight till I collapse.
Perfect. So, export it. Let's try another picture.
Till I collapse. My energy.
Do all as first one.
No, I don't get gas. I'm back. Still working to surpass. Everybody getting past. On my way up fast. No slap. So watch out for me now. Everybody in this town will be looking at my crown. I got my knuckles all wrapped. Blood drips from the scabs. Bloody fists from the jabs.
Do you wanna see what you're made of? What if there was no one to save us? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you die the
Tap Ctrl+J for copy the selection.
find out my limits? I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it. And this is just the beginning.
Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? I'll fight till I collapse.
Tap Ctrl+T for active transform.
Fight till I collapse. my foot up on the gas, full throttle till I crash. I'm back with a vengeance, you gon' see me end this.
Tap Ctrl plus T for active transform.
I got my eyes on a prize, what I see for my life. I don't float, no I fly, do or die. Cause you gotta do or die, there ain't no compromise. Get ready for a fight.
Do you wanna see what you're made of? What if there was no one to save us?
Now custom the copied text's color, size, and position.
Some straight blood, I just wanna find out my limits. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it, and this is just the beginning.
Visible this layer now.
Do you want it bad?
Drag the image layer on the top of wall.
Do you want it bad? I'll fight till I collapse.
Done. See? That looks so awesome now.